Hi, my dear students. I have created the new channels, the educational video. Channel's name Ajay Jay Educationals. So through these channels, you can learn many things. And I have started. So I hope you can watch this. So what is the teaching and learning? So a little bit I want to explain to all of you. First of all, the intellectual skills. Second was cognitive. Strategy, we have to make the strategy better. And verbal information it refers to organized bodies of the knowledge that the individual acquires. And more motor skills, these are the basically about mentions carried out when the brain, nervous systems and muscles together. So what do you mean nervous? These are very important. And fifth one is the attitude, what which type of your attitudes you can do from your levels. So they refer to the internal state of an individual. So these are the lectures, team teachings, discussions, group discussions, panel discussions, project work, method work, study work, planning, demonstrations. These are the many things I have uploaded. So first of all, you have to understand why I am doing this, why I have been. So principle of the motivation, principle of the motivation. You have to motivate. You have to motivate graduations, so guardians, many things. If you have many degree is not important. I have also many. I have two times many degree, master degree as well as PhD. So I have cracked UPSC also one times, but misfortunately I didn't crack the mains. So even though I want to innovate, because many students are in through this offline channels, they are getting the job. So principles, I want to share this my view that what is the motive, the what is the effective the teaching process, from simple to complex, from known to unknown, from seen to unseen, from concrete to abstract, from particular to general, from whole to part, from indefinite to indefinite, from psychological to logicals, from analysis to synthesis, and from follow nature, training senses, encouragement to self study. These are the very important. And principal motivations, principal activities, principal's interest, principal liking with life, principal definitions aim. So I hope dynamic changes. So as part of the time, from time to times, everything is changed. So you have to be also change, but you have to your motivations, just your optimistic. You have to be optimistic always. Optimistic is very important. I hope if you optimistic, if you want, if you hard labor, you, as you know, all of you know, hard work is a key to success. So that means so you have to hard work. And this video, whatever I upload, so it's a very important for competition as well as whatever the exam, whatever the board, CBSE, ICC board, West Bengal board, every chapter question wise I will discuss, every topic I will upload. So I hope you will enjoy. And at the same time, so you can learn also. Any problem, any things if you face, you can share, you can comment from this channel. I would this is a number also given, you can call me and I will explain everything. If you want to be IAS or anything else, if you want to be, you can be, but you have to be optimistic, hard labor. These are the main things, you know. So education, learning. First of all, one line I want to say, what is education? In its general sense, is a form of the learning in which knowledge, skills, habits of a group of people are transferred from one generation to next through teaching, training, research, or simply through or autodidactism, that is the self-learning. Self-learning, this is also type of a self-learning. And learning means activities and experience, whatever your experience you have got. And learning can be defined as the relatively permanent change in the individual's behavior as a result of experience or practice. This can be compared to the other primary process producing relatively permanent change. So I pray to God that you will be helpful from these channels. I upload uh, very new video, and this will be very helpful. So I hope you can enjoy and watch this video as you wish. This is my motive to increase you, and whatever I will tell you and discuss you, share you, I hope you can enjoy. Thank you very much.